From state-of-the-art institutions and historic colleges to essential K-12 schools and districts, every educational environment holds possibility. When students feel focused, when educators are supported, and when staff is equipped to succeed, there's no limit to what your mission can accomplish. With over 100 years of experience, ABM keeps spaces and places operating at their best through facilities, operations, and maintenance, proactive grounds management, and expert dynamic cleaning tailored to your needs. Through key energy upgrades, advanced HVAC solutions, and dependable electrical services, we help meet sustainability goals, modernize systems, and reduce costs. Backed by data, powered by innovative technology, and delivered by our self-performing teams, we bring every service together under one partnership, creating schools where students arrive ready to learn and leave ready to achieve.